what I going to offer is I'm only 7 months into the job. There's not much I can do within 7 months. What I did was just take the team from where the team was and make sure that they will prepare for this. Actually, it's my work has to start after this, because it's World Cup is separate thing to prepare, and then it's taking the team forward. It is a very different challenge. I saw that his interview, but that is, I think it's he hasn't discussed with anybody. So I saw it first on the media. So I have no comment further because I never heard that before. I saw that his interview, but that is, I think it's he hasn't discussed with anybody. So I saw it first on the media. So I have no comment further because I never heard that before. I take responsibility as well as anyone in the group, because we have disappointed the fans and we disappointed ourselves as well. We didn't play our best cricket, but the thing is, nothing has changed from the first game to now. Only has changed is what going through between our ears, where our skills hasn't gone anywhere. So I think we put ourselves down by having high expectation. That's the only thing that we can think of, because as you rightly said, we haven't played our best cricket or what we were capable of, or we played before coming into the World Cup. So in that sense, we all need to look at our mirrors and see what went wrong. And me staying in the coach, it's not up to me. It's just have to be decided by the board. I don't think it's one more batter would have made things complicated, isn't it? Like when we select this team before the World Cup, we thought this is the best batters we had. They have been performing. As I said before, their skills hasn't gone anywhere. Whatever is going through our heads, that's the only thing is disturbing us. We haven't played to our potential. We have even not showed that what we are capable of. So for some reason, we have gone into a little bit of shell. It's not about the batting order, isn't it? Where you come to bat, what over, what time of the innings you're coming into bat is more important than the number you bat. We haven't given any start. Our top 3, top 4 hasn't given us apart from one game. So I don't think it's a batting order has any implication for this outcome, because we still a good team. We know that we are better than what we have shown. So our best game we haven't played so far, even near to our best. So we still think that we Champions Trophy spot achievable. And the first question is not up to me. I'm not a qualified person to tell about their quality and whether it's fit. I mean, if I know that, if that's the case, I think I'm speculating if I say yes or no. I don't know, to be honest. The only thing you can think of is it's high expectation from everyone, because as a players, we all wanted to perform in the biggest stage. That's, as you said, it's that kind of expectation. It can be pressure, can be that you're put in a little bit, trying to do too much. We learn from you. That's the only thing that's what we need to see, sit back and look back and think what went wrong. It's individually, because it's not one or two players. It's affected many players for us. It can be any of those. So to be honest, I don't know at the moment. Unfortunately for Shanto especially, getting out, if you have played this game, you know, like any batsman, good batsman can get out first 5 balls, 10 balls. And he got out, I think, twice first ball. So it's really unfortunate. Some of the balls that he got out or down the leg side and then half volleys, any other day you all have seen that he will hit those for boundaries. So things has not gone right in certain way for us. We, as I said before, one of them or two of them has to stand up and take the game on and change our fortune in next 2 games. Yeah, we constantly had chat with him. We find nothing, it's nothing technical. It's just unfortunate way, as I said, like any batsman getting out early, like first 10, within first 5 balls or whatever, it can happen to any player, especially the top order, because ball is moving and you're getting used to the condition. I don't think it's anything to do with any technique or anything, but unfortunately, it's cricketing. It's cricket. That's the beauty of the game. What I'm going to offer is I'm only 7 months into the job. There's not much I can do within 7 months. What I did was just take the team from where the team was and make sure that they will prepare for this. Actually, it's my work has to start after this, because it's World Cup is separate thing to prepare, and then it's taking the team forward. It is a very different challenge.